Hey everyone, I'm here with my daughter Sophia, and I'm Leonila, and today we're going to give you an update on our cilantro planting that we did a video back in December 30th, 2022, and today's date is January 22nd, and we're going to show you how our cilantro seeds. So we're going to show you our seeds that have germinated already, and how we're gonna if you just focus on the jug right now for us right here, and on the tray here. So this tray, and I have my little notes, but this tray is called the seed starter tray. It comes with a little dome, and it comes with a tray underneath this, and we showed you on the previous video, and we'll put that video down below under this YouTube. But I wanted to show you the difference, how we use this dome like this to grow the seed, just like so. And then I'm going to show you how we did something called the, I guess you call it the winter sowing. And here's the cilantro seeds, and we put the date on here, December 30th, 2022. And then how this grew. If you go closer in there, put your camera closer in there, you'll see how they've grown in there, all by themselves. And so we're going to show you the difference, one versus the other one, how they grow. So these trays are 40 cells in each cell, and then it's a 5x9 starter seed cell. December 30th. Hopefully I can do this. And it is a little cold out here. I think it's like 50 degrees, 60 degrees maybe. We do have a little sun. This tape is the duct tape, and it's really strong. So there we are. Can y'all see that? Look how beautiful that's grown. Now look how healthy this looks. Look how healthy and strong they look, right? And then look at these down here, Giovanni, for us. And they were grown on the same day, but we use different methods. We do different domes and different starter seeds. So I just want you to see the difference of the healthiest, the same starter. We use the same soil seed, the seed starter soil seed, and both on each one, and it was planted on the same day, but different containers. So I wanted you guys to see the difference on these containers. So what's going to happen now is that we're going to carefully remove these from here and try to plant them in one of these cells that we have over here. Can you, Sophia? So I'm using this tray to grow some other ones in a few moments. So that's why I'm needing to replace this and moving these out. Like I said, these don't look so strong versus these look very strong. So I'll figure out where am I going to plant these, either on terracotta. I'll give you the update on the cilantro and see how Sophia did a great job planting those seeds and making them germinate. So we were successful. Thumbs up. See you later and have a great day, guys.